Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
Hey, are they on?
Okay, let's
Is it loud?
go. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Paige and Emma, and we're gonna be baking.
Why am I just holding the duck?
We're gonna be baking while she's blind, I can't hear, and she can't talk. So,
Yay.
pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Are we ready
Now,
now?
yep.
I gotta
Okay.
put my. Ow. No, I'm out of duct tape.
Also, Aiden's playing my music.
I'm out of duct tape.
There's not colored duct tape in the drawer?
Oh, 1 second.
Pause.
Okay, Aiden, play music.
Action.
Oh, that scared me. Her glasses. Oh. Oh, they just said low battery. Wait, you gotta set the oven first. Open the box. We need a bowl. We need a bowl.
You're gonna make the pants out. Come on.
No!
Wait, is this the ball we always broke so
Just
many
use that
times,
bowl.
Emma? Tap my shoulder if yes. Me and Emma broke this bowl like 3 times and kept having to go back to the store and buying
I
it.
don't know what they're saying. What's so funny?
The bowl. Do we have a bowl?
This bowl, right? Yes?
Wait.
Here.
Okay.
What is this bowl for?
Oh,
Oh.
I forgot that Lacey can't hear.
We need 1 cup of water. We need a measuring cup. In the dishwasher. Oh, yeah.
Read the meniscus.
Wait. I think that's pretty good. Okay. Oh. Now, 1/2 cup oil. We have oil?
Yeah, it
Okay.
should be down here.
Right, yeah.
Or on
No,
the floor.
wait, over there. Wait, you can't see. I forgot.
Where's the oil? Is this really oil?
Okay, wait. I'll tell you when. Wait. Okay.
Am I pouring?
Why not? Okay, stop. Pour. You got too much. You got too much. See?
Why in the sink?
Cause
You don't pour oil in the sink?
it's okay. I'll help. Just a little bit, okay? Good. Just a little. Okay, pour. Just up. Okay, now. You think that's good enough? Put it on the table. 1/2. No, a little more. Okay. Need to pour a little bit more. No. Pour out a little more. Okay, just a little. Okay, stop. Okay, put it on the counter.
I got oil on my hand.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Oh, okay. Wait, what are you trying to do?
Wipe my hand.
Is
Where's
it right?
the mixer?
Oh, a whiz. A whiz. Is it broke? Oh. Wait. We gotta add 3 eggs.
Okay, well I can start mixing this, right? While you'll get the eggs.
Put the shell in here. Ah! You got it. Oh, there's shells. There's shells.
Where's the eggs?
Wait.
Y'all gonna have to get them out.
No way, you poured it over the shells.
Where's the third egg? Emma!
There's
Give
shells.
me the egg!
Wait, no, I don't have the box. Here. Not on the scissors.
Is that Emma? Oh my god. Manhandle me. Oh my god!
What? The oven? We said it? Yeah. What? The oven's ready. Oh, okay. Do we have a cake pan?
Come on, get up. Come on.
Are you looking for this?
Come on. Come on, get up. I'm trying to help you.
I don't. Tell her to stop. Emma said stop. She said no.
I'm trying to get back to my station.
Wait, there's a cabinet open. Don't hurt your leg. Okay. Right there.
Your music's so loud. What are we
What are you
at?
looking for? A pan? A pan. Oh, spray the pan. I'm gonna put this in the sink. Ooh! It's just chocolate. Wait,
Do we need more?
no. Emma said no. What are you touching for?
We gotta pour it in. Is it time?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, is somebody gonna like dip?
Wait. You only need a little. Stop. Okay, stop. Wait. Okay, now the other. I need a spatula.
Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no! Help!
Wait. Get it.
Hey, what is that? What is that? It's just kidding. You did it.
No, that's not a spatula.
Thank you for the bowl.
Wait,
Wait,
don't burn yourself.
yeah, I need assistance.
Let me get on this side.
Emma, I need you to do this because this is a safety hazard.
You open it. Open all the way. Yeah. Okay, now close. Okay, we're gonna take a short commercial break.
You
See
are dumb.
later.
Why?
You dropped the bowl in the pan.
It was heavy and slippery.
When I'm close, sometimes when I'm close to Paige, I can hear her through my right ear. We're back. This looked like a scary movie when I did that.
Who's that? Is this Lexi?
Yeah.
Is this recording? Is that recording?
Yeah.
Lord.
Tell it bye.
See ya. Video, camera, GoPro.
Yeah, it's on. It's good. Can I hear? I don't think so. Paige, say something.
Huh?
Huh? No, I can't hear. Say something.
God, man.
No, I ain't hear.
I'm gone.
Oh.
Jeez, what are you doing?
Okay, we need a plate first, don't we? She's gonna give you the cake to put on the plate.
Nah! Ella! Are you on crack?
Is it hot?
It's warm
No,
and
it's not
toasty.
hot. It's okay. Hold the pan and flip it on the plate. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Is it up? Look.
Do I need to flip it over?
Don't we need to put
Like flip it?
no, it's right.
Okay. What is that noise? Are we doing icing?
Yes. Put a little. Cause in between layers. Oh, whoa, whoa. She about snapped her finger off. Stop. Now, swoosh it around. Okay, stop. Wait, whoa. Oh, smoothly. Softly. Yeah, softly. Okay. Yep. Should we add a little more?
Ew, you got it on. Where's that?
Wait.
What happened?
A small bit. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Emma, is the control freaking you freaking out?
Okay, can you go around? Yeah, yes. Emma said yes. Emma said stop. Emma needs a knife.
I feel like Emma's just
Ah,
upset.
What is going on over the side?
Wait,
Put it right there.
right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It looks good.
What about
Stop.
the
Emma
edges?
said stop.
What about the edges?
Wait, what? No,
There's
don't
gotta be
stab
some on the edges.
it. Emma said stop. Okay.
Are we putting the next layer on? Emma, are we putting the next layer on?
Yeah. You are. Okay. No, Paige, no. Pay's not.
I've got to get the pan.
Emma said no.
Why can't I get the pan, Emma? This has to go on this.
Emma said yeah, but
Yeah.
Emma's gonna do it.
No, I want to do it. I'm the one. Okay, it's on there. Wait, should we have flipped it on the other side? There's no space in cake.
Emma said shh.
You're supposed to flip it to the other side. Emma, Janet taught you better than this.
What are y'all talking about? I have no idea.
This side is not correct.
Paige, shut up! It'll be fine!
You're not supposed to tell!
You won't shut up!
No! Now look, it's together. Now they're together. There's no space. Just like that. Now where's the icing?
Okay, wait.
Emma, don't you flip this dang cake! It's fine, just like this.
Oh, napkin.
No! Do you want me to edge it? Okay, wait, I gotta keep my finger there.
Easy. Yeah. You need to add more.
Am I doing it?
Around.
Is there a glob right there?
Oh, it's on the plate.
Could I get it?
No!
What am I doing?
Your ass in the plate. Your ass. More icing. But don't get the plate. Oh, around other side. Wait. No, you're slicing. No. Around the sides. No, that's the camera.
Emma, my arm. What? What do you want me to do like this? Oh my god.
No more icing? Oh, okay. Now, decorations. Okay.
Emma.
Pink.
Pink. Is it gonna say a
Scissors?
phrase?
Yeah, scissors.
Emma, is it gonna say a phrase?
Yes. Wait, I think you have to pop that off first.
What's it
It's
gonna
a lid.
say?
Emma said, wait, stop. Yeah. Wait, she has to cut it. Ooh. Okay, there you go.
What color is this? What color is this?
Icing?
What color? Color. What color? What color?
Red. Red.
Okay, what is it gonna say?
What?
What is the cake gonna say?
What is it gonna say? I don't know.
What's it gonna say? Does it come
Star?
out? A star? Okay, it works.
Wait,
A star?
what was you drawing? Oh, okay.
A star?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Huh?
Is it okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Yeah.
What?
Put more icing on there.
How? Another star?
Another star. Wait, that's a counter.
What? It's on the counter.
It's on the counter.
Do we want to use green?
Yeah, Emma's opening green.
Okay.
Dots with green.
Okay. Are we putting words?
No.
Why?
Emma frustrated.
What if we just do like one word?
Cakes?
What if we do we tried?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, where's the...
Wait, to write on the cake?
Okay. Thanks for tried.
What? You're on the counter.
Oh, did I make the letters too big?
Yeah. I think it looks beautiful.
Do I need to do dots?
Yes. Yeah. No! Wait, that's the counter.
How big is this darn cake? Is anything coming out of this?
What?
Should I do red dots?
I thought I was just about to put down. Emma said quiet.
Quiet.
Slow down. Calm down. Oh, yes, that's what she meant. Calm down. No, that's on the counter. I
Put the camera on her face so
Okay,
when... Okay, go ahead and take your blindfold off and see your masterpiece.
Oh my god, that looks terrible.
You kept getting it all over the table!
What is this?
You stabbed the cake!
Stabbing the cake.
I see the we, kinda. It looks like V-E.
Because you stabbed the cake.
V. Oh God.
I think
My
I
ears
accidentally spelled we tired
hurt.
instead of we tried.
Oh my
Because
God.
that looks like an I and then an R.
No, that was your dot.
No.
It was an R.
But look, T,
R.
I,
No, R. No.
Your eye was over
R. Your eye was right
here.
here.
Yeah.
Because then you tried to spell the D here.
Yeah, it was on the get all over here.
Oh my god, that looks absolutely terrible.
Now let's taste it.
Jesus.
I kept telling her to tell you to stop, and she said, stop. And you were like, I was like, stop.
And then Emma would be like, she'd be like, and I'm like, Emma's frustrated. I don't know what to say.
I was frustrated because Paige would not listen to the stop. Yeah, and it's minus a few eggshells.
How do you make the cake?
I haven't ate it yet.
Oh, how do you rate the cake out of 10?
Like a 7. Because there could be more icing in the middle.
Ah!
But listen, there wouldn't have been enough icing in the middle of the middle. It would have only been on the outside of the middle. So like when you're looking at the cake, all of the extra icing would have been here towards the outside
But
instead
it
of
would have
here.
been there, and you could have just poof.
Well, I'm sorry.
I rate the cake a 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Have you tasted it?
Yeah, I tasted it. It's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie. There's extra icing right here in this thing. You know what's gonna happen, right? Everybody's gonna love this video and everybody's gonna want more videos with y'all in them. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what video we should do next.
And give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. This cake gets some. I'm kidding.
We tried.
Unlike it said on the cake. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.